Stump. How's the Stump?
Okay over there?
Yeah, I'm good. Well, that was a bit rude. Ow. Shoulder hurts a bit after that. I've never gone over the bars quite like that before. But hopefully it's okay. I don't think anything should be bent. So Nate's stuck over there. Well, we have carnage.
From that.
I just had this A-arm powder coated too. Oh well. We'll do some wrenching at the cabin and carry on, I guess.
Yeah, it's sketchy in here.
It is very. Alright, got the skis somewhat parallel with each other now. So yeah, it's a little off, but get to the cabin.
I figured it was Jared.
Alright, so we're hanging out up at this lake here. We're just playing in back behind us here in the burn. It's completely untouched, all of it back there. You could play back there for days. It's awesome. But we've been in there for a few hours now. Everybody's getting a little tired and fatigued. I know I'm starting to make dumb little mistakes, so we're probably gonna start heading our way back up. We're kind of at the second lake down from the cabin, so got a bunch of people out on the hill over here, just tracking it out. So I think that's our way out, is that direction. So. cabin. The weather's, oh, what happened? I hit a button. There we go. The weather's definitely taking a turn for the worse, but as you can kind of see, visibility is not so great. That's the way that we just came from. It's out way down that way. So yeah, I'm thinking it's time to start moseying down, I think. Possibly, we'll see. All right, so made it down. It's actually raining down here. Back to the truck. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but this mono suit is absolutely drenched, and I'm actually dry. My feet are wet, and I think my right knee is just barely starting to get wet, but that's a pretty good testament to FXR's waterproofing. That's pretty impressive. Like, it is like, it could not be wetter. I could have just jumped in a pond. But anyway, gonna tie everything down here, and I think we'll be hopefully heading out shortly. I am really hungry.
Yeah.
Subscribe.